Hello and welcome to another video. Today I have these noise reduction headphones. So these ear muffs protect your ears from loud noises such as when you're mowing the lawn, shooting at the gun range, lots of other activities kind of like woodworking, or if you're at a construction site. So these are supposed to reduce your noise level by about 22 decibels, rating of 22 out of 30. So it's pretty highly rated as far as how much noise reduction you can get. Comes with microfiber cloth to keep your safety goggles clean, so it comes with safety goggles as well. And then comes with the auxiliary cable in case you want to listen to music on the inside. Comes with little ear tips as well if you just need something for something slim in your ears. And then comes with the user guide. So let's go ahead and open it up and set it up. It can fit in the palm of your hand, super small. So to use them, you just pull the ear muffs down and then they're ready to use. You can see the wires for transmitting the sound over here. This is the connection for the auxiliary port. You don't have to connect anything. This is only if you want to listen to music to the port. To lengthen the ear muff's length, all you have to do is pull on the ear muff itself and put it on your ears. Even with my sunglasses in the way of the suction cup, I'm completely isolated from the environment. I'm not hearing the birds and things like that anymore. So as you can see, as I pull here, I have even more give below my ear, so it should fit all head sizes. I'm getting really good suction here. Let me go ahead and take my hat off to show you what it looks like without the hat. This is what it looks like without the hat. There's just these wires for the audio transmission, and of course the knob on the left side here. Another cool feature in these is if you want to listen to somebody talking to you but drown out most of the noises, they actually have built-in microphones on both sides. These foam paddings actually hide a microphone behind it, and this knob actually, once you turn it on, you're turning on those microphones, so you can actually listen, increase the volume and listen from the outside without all the noise hitting you. So it's gonna let you listen to what's going on without turning it all the way up. So essentially it picks up the audio from the outside, but only to the level you want, and you can adjust that with this knob. So that's another cool feature. There is a battery compartment in here to allow you to use that. On the right side of your ear muff, there's the slider here, like so. Make sure you get that wire out of the way. And there's two AAA batteries that go inside to make use of that feature. Currently, I'm just mowing my yard and I don't need that feature, but if you do need to, it's very easy to use. As far as putting them away, all you have to do is swing these pads up, and that's how compact. It can fit in the palm of your hand, super small. So to use them, you just pull the ear muffs down and then they're ready to use. To put them away, you just push them back in there, and that's it. Super easy to operate. I find this really helpful putting them on. It's remarkable how quiet it is. I want to show you the safety goggles as well. These are super high quality. They feel really premium. Seems like pretty broad coverage. As you can tell, you can use them while having your earmuffs on. They cover on the bottom as well as the top. Comes with this microfiber cloth as well to keep them clean. I'm about to use my blower to blow away some debris, and I have to use them while doing that and not have to deafen myself. Really helps me not have to listen to the loud blower. It's recommended to use these long term if you're around loud noises so that you don't lose your hearing in older age. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.